My parents and I really enjoyed our time here. Very educational and interactive. Introduction session talks in detail about the history of the company and business, market reach, the process from nest building, collection, to processing it to an end product. They then bring you through the museum, the different sections of the factory, and you get to experience cleaning the bird's nest at the end of the museum tour. You can bring home the nest you cleaned for consumption, and finally sampling the bottled end product. For the price of the tour, I think we really benefited from the whole experience. The factory is out of the main roadway, so recommended to either drive yourself or grab here as there is no public transport. Parking is ample, roadside parking in front of the factory. If you plan on coming, the AM session would be best to beat the traffic jam. Good experience for my daughter. Educational and really recommended. Friendly staff. Very enjoyable experience. Highly recommended. You get a walkthrough of the museum to understand the Swiftlet bird characteristics, then of the factory to see how the bird nest is cleaned, hands-on experience, and a sample of the bird's nest to taste at the end. My parents and I had so much fun. Thank you, Yan, for the hospitality. Highly recommended. A tour that will essentially teach you about many aspects on the bird nest production, farming, cleaning and marketing, availability of the industry.